Hi everyone, it's Mary and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making another party favor just for our graduates that's going to be coming up. A lot of people will be graduating. It's just a beautiful time of year. I decorated the paper, embossed it, heat embossed it. This came with the dies. The die set is from Alina Cutle. She makes beautiful things, but this is the kind of things you can make with it in different colors. I made mine just the graduation part, but obviously we can make more on every occasion. It does come with the big die here, which is the bigger party favorite, and then this tiny one here. It has the side pieces, both for the big and the small. And I think this one says, what does it say? Good things. So it's got good things die with the shadow, and then a little princess top. And then this one has one as well, and it's this one here. Okay, so that again is Alina Cutle. And I'll leave the description, her link to Amazon. The die set or the stamp sets I'll be using will be this one. It's what's in my collection, so I like it, and use what you have. And then I'll be using the star. Alright, so let's get started. You'll need to cut two bases. As you can see, we put the crown on this one, but you will need two bases and two sides for the bigger one. And then for the tiny one, which is this little guy here, he's so adorable. And same theme as the big one, just made it smaller. And perfect for party favors, right? You know, for their tables, and then this one to the graduate. It's very similar to the one that I made for another party favor, but this one is just, it's just so precious. All right. Alright guys, that is my project. As you guys can see, it was pretty easy to make. I think the longest part was the embossing. But it is very, very cute and very, very pretty. Again, this is for the princess or the beautiful. I mean, it's definitely for a girl. I don't know, you know, maybe for boys. I don't know, but I think girls would gravitate to this fairly quickly, very easily. That I will put the link again in my description for Alina Cutle's dies. This is really cute. You get 2 in 1 set, so that's a great deal. And just come on, the little tiny guy, totally cute. All right, have a good week, guys, and thank you for watching. And let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks, guys. Bye.